Like it love.
Good morning, YouTube. Long time no see. We're on our way to the Morgan Hill Car Show, or we're just about to leave. Right now it's like 7:30 in the morning. And if you can't tell, or if you can't hear, we've got a little convoy going. We've gotten special permission to take the 442 this morning, so that's what me and James are riding in. And then the rest of the convoy, we've got Reese's, I don't know what kind of car that is. We've got Reese and his dad joining along in the convoy. And we're gonna take a nice ride along the way. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. The car meet is like every third Sunday of the month, so it's gonna be fun.
I don't think those are fire extinguishers.
Wait, what? Oh, I can't see. I can see them. Oh shit.
They're fire suppression.
Yeah, we're gonna get the green box. It's like lipstick. It's like lipstick red. It kind of got it. Whiskey, lots of whiskey,
Steady handle.
Lemon dick, steady hand. Third jet fuel.
Like, it's crazy. Convertible too. This color is so fucking nice.
It's got a fun stick. Oh, that's a target lock right there. A fun stick. This is gorgeous, man.
2 years.
Oh wow.
90 and 91. This is a 90. The
Gorgeous.
difference in the 90 and the 91 is
Uh-huh.
that 90 kept the round taillights, and 91 they kind of
squared it away?
Squared them a little bit.
Yep.
But the interior is basically the same.
Oh, this is gorgeous, man.
I'm such a sucker for pinstriping.
The color's stunning.
I love this. The pink on black. It's very me. I want to do some of this so bad.
It gets a phenomenal mileage.
I'm gonna take a little peek in here.
I hear your car. I'm starting to get a little scared. I'm not lying.
Started walking, you leave. Slide up.
That's crazy. Yeah, what the hell?
It's a gated 6 too. Like you got a Lamborghini, a Pantera, but nothing compares to fucking this.
Yeah, this is crazy. It's like a spaceship.
I so see you in that. Friggin'
Right?
Hell, just,
Right?
just clean like that.
Yeah. No, I need this. I'm hating this.
It's alright. I mean,
Hey, these things are on rails. Hell yeah.
These things are lit, dude.
Oh, that's a badass motor in there.
Go wake up a little early so I can make
Good
my
man.
morning shit.
Took my bad.
Wait.
See
I
the
like
cream
this.
and the blue? Like,
Yeah.
you
It's
can't
like
go
a-
wrong
It's
with
like a
it.
denim. These are fucking
The
sick.
risky business pool.
Yeah. You know these, right?
I don't play on Top Gear episode.
Go bite this guy.
it's just about everything.
Yeah.
Too much.
Meg is
Paper and whatnot. all.
she has a good heart, but she loved it.
It's badass. It's a Z28 too.
Yeah. Is my wallet in your purse?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, with the dark green
Ooh.
interior?
Yeah.
I thought it was black at first. No, this is sick. And it's got a wiggle.
Damn. Up to that 5.
It's got the right amount of pedals on it.
Damn. It's a 70 right here too.
Yeah.
You tell by the seats. That's the biggest thing. 70 had the headrest. They didn't do that again. This is most likely 70.
Unless they got it from the interior.
That's sure good.
Probably not.
Jam!
That's only like one little.
I like to jam. I like jam.
That's badass.
That's me.
That's hell of 70s right there.
That is. Pump up the jam. And he's got a nice interior on it.
Is it also green?
Yes.
Oh. This is
This
nice.
thing's so bad.
I love this car, dude.
It would just complete the collection. I think that'd be cool after this.
You say that,
And then the next one.
and then you'll be like, oh, now I want to.
Like, oh, you want to truck over that now?
Yeah.
I always thought, I'm not too familiar with these.
The poop come out of my butt. Oh, you're recording. Damn.
Fucking weirdo. It's so cute. Wow.
Hose ain't long enough. I gotta move
So we
forward.
have to move forward.
Yeah.
So we just left the car meet. It was a super good turnout this time. There's always a huge variety of cars there. Right now we're stopping by the gas station real quick, and then we're gonna get some breakfast. Oh my god. But yeah, it was really fun. There's a ton of people. I feel like way more people than last time. We spent a lot of time talking to some different folks. Saw a lot of different cool cars. I don't know which one is my
Now it's
favorite
filling
though.
up.
Okay. Which one was your favorite car?
Mine.
Besides that, I think my favorite was probably, I forget what year it is,
90 and 91. This is a 90.
and it was like in a nice blue color that was factory. But it was such a pretty blue color, and I'm not usually like a blue type of person, but it was very pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I remembered exactly. Oh, hello.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
It's in this thing. That was a long time ago now. Like 2 years.
I still love to hear the stories of where all the sand came from.
Half eaten.
Life is good.
Where'd your bacon go?
Friends there. and
I ate most of it, and then you ate all the pieces that I didn't want.
Last time I drove this car before this, the steering was hella boaty.
Really?
Yeah.
Like boaty in the way that your car is?
No. Like, you would turn the wheel, and you'd have to turn it a lot in order to feel it turn. But now it's a lot more of a closed ratio, so
Good.
it's actually, you know, it's responsive rather than being loose.
Looks like we're in Fairfield right now.
Yeah, right?
I don't want it to rain anymore. How long will this stay there? We'll see.
Not that long.
I think it's pretty stable, to be honest.
You think so?
Nope.
No, I know this place.
Oh?
For a second, I thought that couch was called Booze. I said, is it who? I know it was heroin fishing. It was this one.
So you lied about the other one.
Well, I didn't know there was two on the same road. I don't think I've ever been that
Why
way.
would you lie to me like that?
Because I hate you so much. Horses.
Horse?
Hella horses.
Horses.
Wish this man for Oh, we're fucking geeked right now, yeah.
That's badass. Our 10-year-old self will be tripping right now.
Uh-huh. Damn straight.
That's funny.
Next to each other at a light.
I know. Right. Living the dream.
Uh-huh.
Living the dream. Going into life with us. Oh, yeah.
Alright, what's up? I am back home now. I was just editing the vlog and I got to the end of it and I realized that I didn't really film a proper outro. So after the car meet, we got some breakfast, which you guys saw some footage of, and we ended up taking the back roads home, which was very pretty. Once we got home, we ended up going to look at another car, potential project, which I can't say too much about. I have a few clips of it. I'll put something in.
Do you mind if I pull this air cleaner off?
I don't care if you whatever you want.
Oh shit, this is already looking good.
Like parts that you just 'cause it's
You okay?
annoying.
Spiderweb.
Spiders.
Watch out!
It's just the Black Widows that scare me.
There are a lot of Black Widows in this neighborhood.
Oh no.
But you know what? They don't
Fuck
want
yeah.
to.
Whoa.
What? Is it spiders?
No. Good.
Oh,
This is
I was
really
like,
good
oh my god,
news.
is there 1,000 spiders?
No.
If our manifestations come to fruition, then you guys will see a lot more content about that car. But right now, we can only hope. I don't really have much else to say. If you liked the vlog, go ahead and give it a like. Feel free to comment if you have any video ideas. Also subscribe if you're not already. We're pretty close to 1K. Hitting 1K subscribers would be pretty cool. Follow my Instagram also. I'll put it here somewhere. I've made some edits for like the 442 and for the Z28 that I'll probably be posting on there. And yeah, I hope to make some more content. I miss editing videos. I built a new gaming PC that I haven't really posted much content about, but I plan on sprucing up my whole setup and maybe doing a tour of it. But anyways, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.